We're getting our tour of Lahti, and anybody that actually knows where we live knows that we deprive the kids of learning how to ride a bike. Michael's learned how to ride a bike. Today may be Wendell learns how to ride a bike video. We'll see. A little bit of change of plans. Wendell and Amber decided they're going scooters. Michael and I, we're going to go bikes. It's been a while.
What happens?
Amber commandeered my bike, so now I'm learning to ride a scooter. We found an excellent tour guide. Let's see what he has to say.
Okay, well, this is a pretty common tradition here in Finland, especially here in Lahti, because on this bridge, people will put down blocks right here with either the name or no name, but it's to signify their love for each other, and you know you can't rip it open, so it's always going to be there forever.
This is as close as I can get to the family selfie.
This is the Lahti Ski Center here. The first ever world championships were held here in 2001, back in the good old days before I was even alive. But yeah, these are ski jumps right here. You won't find them anywhere where we're from. And during the winter, they are completely covered by snow and ice. And people will go about 90 kilometers per hour off of those jumps right there and glide to the furthest point that they can.
Watch this middle slope right here. You can't see it, but this guy is coming down. Watch this freaking jump. That was freaking insane. You're not going to catch me on that. We're heading to a Rotary meeting. It's the club that sponsors Michael. And I don't know if we've actually said any of these. Amber and I are both Rotarians. I'm a member of the Rocky Mount Rotary Club.
I'm a member of the Roanoke Downtown Club.
And Eustace, she was a member of the Rocky Mount Club. We forgive her.